Good morning, I'm Sajida Sugatan. Today we are going to see chapter number 1 of Home Science, Nutrients in Food. Food. Food is an essential part of everyone's life. It provides us with energy and molecules that help in growth, development, and reproduction. Now, these molecules which are present in the food are called as the nutrients. The following are the nutrients present in food: carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, water, proteins, minerals. Now, all these are the nutrients present in the food. So, the first thing we are going to see is vitamins. Vitamins are the substance which are necessary for growth and development and which are required in small quantity in a diet. Now, vitamins are classified as water soluble vitamins and fat soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are vitamin B and vitamin C. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. So first we are going to see what are fat soluble vitamins. First one is vitamin A. Vitamin A is also called as retinols. Sources of vitamin A are carrot, eggs, whole milk, spinach, apricot, red pumpkin, mango, papaya, tomato, and fish. Now let us see what are the functions of vitamin A. Vitamin A is required for good vision and it make our immune system healthy. It also help in the development of bones and tissue, and it also help in growth of cells. Vitamin is vitamin D. We get vitamin D from early morning sun rays. Now, in addition to early morning sun rays, we also get vitamin D from egg, liver, fish liver oil, butter, milk, and milk product. Now, the function of this vitamin are: it help in absorption and deposition of calcium and phosphorus in our body, and this lead to healthy growth of our bones. The next is vitamin E. Sources of vitamin E are vegetable oil, whole grain cereals, legumes or pulses, nuts and oil seeds, dark green leafy vegetable, liver, egg yolk and butter. Now what are the functions of vitamin E? Vitamin E act as an antioxidant. It also prevents the oxidation of fatty acid, vitamin A and vitamin C in the body and in the food. Now what is meant by oxidation? It is a process in which a substance combined with oxygen. And what is a fatty acid? During digestion, fat in the food is converted or is break down into fatty acid by the enzymes present in the saliva. Now the deficiency of these enzymes lead to a disorder and it is called as oxidation of fatty acid. Now this disorder leads to mental and physical irregularity in children. Now it also lower the blood sugar and it build up harmful substance in the blood. And vitamin E prevent the oxidation of fatty acids and as well as vitamin A and vitamin C. So that is why it is called as antioxidant. Now the last is vitamin K. Now the sources of vitamin K are cauliflower, green leafy vegetables, milk, egg yolk, liver and tomatoes. Now what are the functions of vitamin K? Vitamin K help in the formation of a protein called prothrombin. Now, what is the use of this prothrombin? It help in blood clotting. So whenever you have any injury, then it help to stop the bleeding of blood.